lesson, Kuzushi balance. The answer, 4 corners, 4 sides, for a total of 8. Try that. So it kind of builds upon itself. Take 2 minutes to do the first 4 sides. Pull, push, side, side. Then take another 2 minutes to do the corners. Pull to the corner, push to the opposite corner. Pull to the corner, push to the opposite corner. And then you can spend a little time even kind of mixing it up or doing them all together. Remember, in Kuzushi, there are 8 sides. Now, once they kind of get the hang of that, I always like to add this drill to the mix. This is a drill that I learned from my instructor, Steve Scott. So we're gonna do this next drill first. So we're gonna take our grips right here. I'm going to step to his opposite foot. Now, if you're working with a little kid, they're not going to need to be on their knees. You're just going to need to get them to step right across. And you may even have to grab a hold of their foot and move it over, because sometimes they don't know their left from their right. So all I want to do is I'm going to take my foot, I'm going to block that knee, and then I want to pull him all the way towards me. Don't cut this part short. And then you're going to turn your entire body around and flatten them on their back. And then Samuel's going to do it to me. So he's going to take his foot, it's going to move across my body, and he's just blocking that knee off so that I can't move anywhere and regain my balance. Remember, this lesson is the Kuzushi lesson. We're off balancing our partner. Now, the first thing he's going to do is the pull. I don't have my balance. Now he's going to turn his entire body and he puts me on my back.
What's the first step? What did he show? What's the first thing he did when he showed it? Like, he stepped to the outside with this foot. There we go. Now pull me towards you. There we go. Now rotate me to this side. That means throw this arm down and push with this arm. Now you gotta keep holding on. Now use it to throw down and push over. There we go. Does that make sense? So you stand right here. And you have this. Use this arm. Throw it down. You feel that? And this arm. You feel that? Let's try it again. Step. Pull me towards you. Now pull down with this arm and push. Pull down and push. There we go. So if we're doing the other side, what leg steps? Good. Now pull me towards you. Good. Now this arm pulls down and you push with this arm. There we go. Let's do it again.